We are in Laguna Grande, and this is right near the town of Chalten. This is in Argentina, southern Argentina, actually beautiful here. And this is the Grand Glacier that we've been hiking now for 4 hours straight, Josiah and I. And this is Fitz Roy mountain. Absolutely gorgeous. And here's the beautiful glaciers. And you can't see so well, but there are floating pieces of ice. Those are actually really big pieces over there. We just hiked from that place for 50 minutes to this place where we're at. So it has been a 4-hour hike with Josiah.
I got something in my eye.
Josiah and I hiking for 4 hours.
Then 4 hours
It
back.
is February 1st, 2016.